Welcome back to day 4 of the 30 Days of Clawhammer Banjo. Today we're going to start to incorporate our left hand, so in the next lesson we can start our first tune. But before we do that, we need to have a clear idea of how to use our left hand to press down on the strings. Start by holding the neck of the banjo in the space between your thumb and index finger. We want to keep a relatively straight but relaxed wrist. If you find that your wrist is bent heavily in either direction, then you'll be less comfortable and have less range of motion. Now place the tip of your middle finger on the first string, just behind the second fret. Not on top of the fret, but just behind it. Avoid laying the finger flat. To the best of your ability, you want to make contact with just the tip of your finger, as if you were pointing straight down at the fretboard. You don't need to use much force, just enough so that when you strike the string, you hear a clear pitch without any muting or buzzing. Now try playing the Bum-Ditty pattern while holding down the string. Now we want to be able to fret the note in the middle of playing. Try playing 2 bum-ditties with no fretted notes, followed by 2 bum-ditties with the second fret on the first string. You'll find that in order for this to work, you have to put your finger down at the exact moment you strike the string. Otherwise, you'll end up muting the note. For now, this is the fret and string we want to focus on, but once you can reliably get a sound out of this, try the same with your index finger on the first fret of the second string. After that, feel free to try the second fret on the third string, and then the second fret on the fourth string. Before the next lesson, practice the Bum-Ditty pattern with and without fretted notes, but also continue to practice the individual string double thumb, which you should also practice with the fretted notes. Today's featured banjo player is Coole. Though he's recorded a number of albums under his own name and with other great musicians, he's probably best known for his work with the Lonesome Ace String Band. I recommend you check out all of it, and I'll leave some links in the description where you can find that. Anyway, that's all for now. See you next time.